Welcome to The Fluent Talker, your ultimate destination to master the art of English conversation. If you're ready to unlock the power of fluent English and become a confident speaker, you've come to the right place.
At The Fluent Talker, we're dedicated to helping you achieve your language goals through engaging and interactive content.
Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your basic conversational skills or an intermediate learner striving for fluency, our videos are designed to cater to your specific needs. We believe that language learning should be enjoyable and accessible to everyone.
With our videos, we bring everyday conversations to life. From casual chit-chats to business discussions, we cover a wide range of topics that you'll encounter in real-life situations. Our goal is to provide you with practical language skills that you can immediately apply in your daily life.
But we're not just here to teach you English, we're here to inspire and motivate you on your language learning journey. Our videos are not only informative but also entertaining, ensuring that you stay engaged and eager to learn more. We believe that learning should be fun and enjoyable.
So, if you're ready to embark on an exciting adventure of mastering English conversation, hit that subscribe button now and join our growing community of language enthusiasts. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you never miss a new video.
Together, let's build your confidence, enhance your communication skills, and become fluent speakers. Welcome to The Fluent Talker, where conversation comes to life.
The Fluent Talker, unlock the power of fluent English.